In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in DocuSign. If you've ever worried about someone getting into your account with just a password, this quick setup adds a second layer of protection, so only you can sign in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in with your email and password the way you normally do. If you need the site, there's a direct link placed right at the top of the video description so you can get there quickly and safely. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Manage Profile. This brings you to your account settings, where all your personal and security options are organized in one place. On the Manage Profile page, find and select Security. This section is where DocuSign manages login and authentication options. Think of it as your control center for keeping your account safe. Inside Security, look for two-factor authentication. You'll see an option to enable it. This might appear as a toggle or a button labeled Enable. Go ahead and turn it on. Enabling this means that anytime someone tries to sign in, they'll need a verification code in addition to the password. Whilst choose your verification method. You can select an Authenticator app or an SMS text message. An Authenticator app is generally the most secure and works even if you don't have cell coverage. Popular apps generate a time-based code on your device. SMS is simple and familiar. DocuSign will text you a code, but it depends on your phone number and signal. Pick whichever method you're most comfortable with. Now complete the verification. If you chose an Authenticator app, you'll typically scan a QR code or enter a setup key in the app to link it to your DocuSign account. Then, type the 6-digit code from the app back into DocuSign. If you chose SMS, check your text messages, enter the code you received and proceed. Click Confirm or Activate to finish. You should see confirmation that two-factor authentication is active. From now on, every login will require that extra verification code after your password, adding stronger protection to your account. That's how to enable two-factor authentication in DocuSign using the full walkthrough for 2026. If this was helpful, please check the link to the official site at the top of the description and consider sharing this video with anyone who needs a quick security upgrade. Thanks for watching.